naputol siya yung momentum?
Hindi po, hindi para sa akin. Dahil kung doon sa ginawa ko, that's something that would may ipinaglaban lang naman ako that I think that it's worth fighting for, and it's my right as a woman. And I don't see it honestly as a like a negative thing, or parang na-stop yung momentum. I did that not just for myself, but it's also, I would really want to be a reminder for every human being, you know, na nakaranas nun, that okay lang, may boses tayo. Pwede mo siyang sabihin out loud na hindi sila nag-iisa. Kasi andito din ako, nangyari din siya sa akin. So I don't see that as a negative thing. In fact, that actually made me even more stronger as a woman.
Because I was also thinking din yung mga sa family mo rin, yung sa health ng ano mo. So,
ng mom ko, my mom is doing good. My mom, she's a breast cancer survivor, and sobrang nagtutulungan kami magkakapatid to really take care of her with the food and everything, and ibigay din talaga yung kailangan niya, no? But we're very happy kasi sabi ng doctor niya parang 2 gamot na yung nabawas sa kanya sa mga maintenance niya. So it means that she's doing good. And yun yung isa. And with my son as well, he's doing great. Sobrang lumalakas siya. He's very sweet. And I must say gifted as well kasi wala pang 1-year-old si Uno, nasa tono na siya. Sinasabayan na niya yung mga nursery rhymes, ganyan. Tapos pagka narinig niya ng 2 beses lang, no, memorize niya na kagad yung kanta, alam niya na kagad yung tono. So sabi ko, okay, mukhang may pinagmanahan talaga siya.
Pero yun na lang, where did you parang draw strength yung mga
Of course
challenges
with God,
na yan?
yeah. Of course with God. I wouldn't be here without the grace of God talaga. And yun lang talaga. And hindi, again, I cannot do this alone. I have people with me, beside me, who are praying with me and praying for me. And that's a very big thing. And ever since naman po, I'm very vocal with my faith. And of course, may mga times na ang hirap din talaga magsalita about my faith kasi dahil nga vocal ako doon, and hindi po ako nagiging vocal at times pag alam kong, you know, I'm struggling. Syempre, we all have our personal relationship with Him. And it's hard kasi po alam ko po, I'm very aware that I have supporters. I gain supporters because of my faith and because of my voice. Kasi nga, I'm very vocal with that. And that's why I'm very careful po with that. When I know that personally I'm dealing with something important, I'm struggling with something with our relationship, with my relationship with God. It's hard to, you know, say things. Ayoko naman po na mag-share ako ng mga inspiring things para lang po masabi na okay ako, but in reality alam ko namang hindi. And hindi ko po kayang gawin yun. And ever since, I'm always true as much as possible. Kung ano po yung totoo, doon ako.
Kanina sinabi mo it feels like a fresh start or a new start. Bakit mo nasabi yun?
Dahil po sa loob ng 20 years, isang lugar lang ang napupuntahan ko. Sa loob ng 20 years, super familiar faces po lang ang nakikita ko. Of course, pagdating ko with dito talagang, I see some familiar faces. Of course, I'm very happy with that. But of course, syempre po yung unang tapak mo pa po dito sa building, syempre po talagang ramdam mong iba, iba, pero of course in a good way. Kasi nandun po yung respeto, naramdaman ko po yun, nandun yung paghanga, yung paniniwala sa'yo as an artist. Yes.
Okay, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.